Hi everyone, so I've tested Autoshorts.ai, and in this review video I'm going to walk you guys through on everything you need to know about Autoshorts. I'm going to walk you guys through the pros, which are the good sides of it, and I'm going to walk you guys through the cons, which are the bad sides of it, and I'm going to share my personal experience that I've actually had with this Autoshorts, after which you'll be able to make an informed decision on whether or not Autoshorts is something that you would like to use to generate your AI content. Okay, but before I get into that, please, if after watching this video you found this video very useful and helpful, leave me a like in this video and I'm going to appreciate that. Okay, if you happen to have any question pertaining to this Autoshorts.ai, leave me a question down below in the comment section and I'm going to ask all the questions. And apart from that, if after watching this video, seeing the pros, the cons, comparing both of them, and you decide that you want to use this Autoshorts.ai, what I recommend you do here is for you to use the link that I'm going to be dropping down below in the description of this video. Okay, use that very link. That's a link to Autoshorts.ai official website. Okay, use that very link and actually use it to actually secure yourself of some discount. Okay, because they're actually offering you some discount. I'm talking about the time that I paid for the Autoshorts.ai, I didn't pay the full money because of that very discount, so I recommend you use it. Okay, so let's get started to what we have here. So now that I've talked about all these things, I'm going to get this review started by talking about the pros and the cons. But before I do that, I just want to do a brief explanation of what this Autoshorts.ai is, for those of you who are hearing it for the first time, or for those of you who doesn't really understand what it is or what it does. Okay, so basically Autoshorts.ai is an AI video generator that transforms long videos into engaging viral shots with the help of artificial intelligence, helps in identifying the key moments or topics that is likely to interest the viewers, and then automatically generates shots based on that very topic. And that's exactly how Autoshorts.ai works. It's a video generator that generates the best and most interesting side of the content in the long video for you. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to show you guys an example of how these things works. Okay, so now that I've talked about that, I'm going to now move on to the point of this video where I'm going to talk about the good sides, that's the pros that comes with using Autoshorts.ai. Okay, and after that I'm going to talk about the cons, which are the bad sides, that's the things that I didn't really like and I feel like you also might not like it about this Autoshorts. Okay, so for the pros, the first thing that I would love to mention here that comes with using this very Autoshorts is the fact that it has efficient video creation. Okay, so that's primarily what this Autoshorts.ai does. It generates some viral video contents, okay, some viral shorts video contents for you. And where I think this guy stands out is that it gives you the best out of them. Okay, it knows how to do it, where it knows how to generate the best one that is very interesting for the viewers. I'm someone that is actually using it and I'm getting a lot of views out of it. And that's the pro number one that I would love to mention here that comes with using this very Autoshorts. And now that I've talked about that, the second pro on my list here that I loved about this very Autoshorts is the fact that it has a friendly user interface. Okay, the interface, the dashboard, everything is actually very user friendly. Even if you're a beginner, you're not going to find it hard to actually operate on it. It's self-explainable. If you go to the site, you're going to understand all these things that I'm actually talking about. And that's something that I loved about this very Autoshort. It has a video guide on the site, that's the interface, the site dashboard, that is actually going to walk you through on all these things. Okay, so that's another pro on the line. Okay, so now that I've talked about that, another thing that I would love to mention here that comes with using this very Autoshort is the fact that they have a very good customer support team. Okay, I love their customer support. Their customer support is actually very good, and people are saying good about their customer support, which is one of the major reasons why I actually love them, because I've actually experienced something about this very Autoshorts. Okay, there is this time that I had issue creating some content, some type or particular set of content that I want to create. So I find it difficult to navigate. I had to message their customer support complaining of what I actually had, the issue that I had, and these guys actually got back to me. They walked me through on everything that I need to do, and I did that and it worked perfectly well. Okay, so that brings us to the next pro on my list here that I would love to mention here that comes with using this very Autoshorts.ai, and that's the fact that there is no limits to the numbers of the videos that you actually want to create. Okay, you can create any amount that you want. Okay, and that's something that I loved about this very Autoshorts. There are no limits to any video that you want to create, in the sense that maybe if you create only 10 videos, they are going to tell you that your credit or subscription or something limit has been done. Okay, with this Autoshorts.ai, there is no limit to that, and that's something that I loved about this very Autoshorts. Okay, so now that I've talked about that, the next pro on my list that I would love to mention here is the fact that it has an advanced AI capabilities. Okay, so this very AI feature, that's this very Autoshorts, has an advanced advanced AI capabilities, in the sense that its mode of operation actually supersedes other AI that I've actually come across that are for video creation. That's aiVideoGenerator. Okay, it supersedes all of them, and that's something that I loved about this very Autoshorts. And now that I've talked about that, the next pro on my list here, which is actually the last pro that I have to mention here, is the fact that it has a free trial and there are no commitments to that. Okay, no credit card is required. Okay, you use the free trial. If you love it, you subscribe to the main subscription, or if you don't love it, you cool. Okay, so now that I've talked about this, because these are the pros, I'm going to now talk about the cons, which are the things that I don't really like, and I feel like you also might not like it. Okay, so for the cons, the first thing that I would love to mention here that comes with using this Autoshorts.ai is the fact that you have a limited control over the video style that you actually want to create in this very Autoshorts DS. Okay, so they have this particular style of video creation, and that's actually the normal video creation that people actually want. Why I mentioned this as the con here is that there are some people here, there are some of you here that want some certain style. Okay, you want some certain style, you want some certain style of creation. This Autoshorts doesn't give that. Okay, it gives the normal normalized style of video that all these platforms actually allows, like TikTok, Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts. It gives the normal standard style of video that they actually allow, and that's something that I need to mention here, so just you know what you're going to expect while using this very Autoshorts.ai. Okay, so the next one on my list here is the fact that you are dependent on AI. Okay, you have a full dependency on AI generated content. Okay, you don't have to do it on your own way, except you actually want to go there, edit something. But first of all, AI is actually going to generate it first for you, then after that you can actually go and edit, and that's something that I would love to mention here. So the last con on my list here, which is actually one of the most important cons I would like to mention here, because all of these AI platforms actually suffer from it, is the fact that there are some fakes out there. Okay, there are some scammers who build sites like that, and they use it to scam people that are not that well advanced on internet space. Okay, so my advice here is that if you go to any browser, if you go to your Chrome, Safari, anyone that you're actually using, search for www.autoshorts.ai.com. okay, and you're going to see the site. Or better still, if you want it to be very much safer and easier for you, what I recommend you do is for you to just use the link that I'm going to be dropping down below the description of this video and also in the comment section. That's the link to the official website. Use that link to actually go to the official website directly without you stressing yourself. Okay, and with the help of that very link, you're actually going to get it at a discounted price. Okay, and save yourself some money. So now that I've talked about all these things, I'm going to just walk you guys through some of the experience that I've actually had with this Autoshorts. Okay, so about my experience, I first heard of this Autoshorts on a YouTube video here on YouTube. Okay, I first heard of it because I'm actually searching for a software where I'm going to be generating short content. Okay, all these shorts, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram Reels that I'm going to be posting out on my social media platforms. So I discovered one video, I watched the video, and the guy said something about this Autoshorts.ai, and I had to give it a try after doing some research. And this is the fourth month of me using this Autoshorts.ai. Okay, and it has been well. I've been gaining lots of views from the videos that this Autoshorts.ai has generated for me. Okay, I've been using it, I've been gaining views, I've been making money out of it. I even use it to run an advertisement. Okay, and that's something that I don't intend telling you guys, but I use it to run an advertisement and I make money out of it. Okay, so that's one of the pros that I need to mention, but just that I don't want to actually mention it. But good and fine, Autoshorts.ai works. It works 100%. My recommendation, my final verdict is that it works. Okay, I've used it and I can attest to that. If you use it also, you're actually going to attest to that. That's something that I've used for some time now, and it's actually doing very well good for me, and the pricing is not that even high. Okay, you can actually afford it if you're actually serious about your social media growth. Okay, so guys, so now that I've talked about all these things, if after watching everything, comparing the pros, the cons, making your decision, and you decide you want to use this Autoshorts.ai, what I recommend you do here, as I said earlier, is for you to use the link that I'm going to be dropping down below in the description of this video. Okay, use that link to actually secure yourself off some discount and save yourself some money. Okay, so now that I've talked about that, do leave me a like in this video if you found this video very useful and helpful. I'm going to appreciate that. Okay, I love you guys. Do leave me a comment in the comment section if you happen to have any question pertaining to this Autoshorts, and I'm going to be there to answer all the questions. So we are going to call this a full review here. Do have a nice day, guys. Peace out.